What up guys, Chibs here. Today I'll be sharing with you concepts that you can play with while you're exploring. If you're new to my channel, click the link down in the description below so you can catch up. Let's go! Concepts are abstract ideas that you can see in your mind. Why not make them movement? This makes your creativity game go to another level. Since tutting is based on angular movement, what other concepts can you come up with? A concept will be attachments. So attachments are like Lego blocks. You attach them to one another, right? So a basic idea there will be your points that will be attaching to each other, and they will be moving as one. They'll be moving as one. So here's an example, right? These are my points. I got my points here too. I will attach this here. Then they will be moving as one. I will detach it. I'll attach it here. They move as one. I'll attach it here. They move as one. I'll attach it here. They move as one. Boom, mind blowing. I'll attach it here. They move as one. I'll attach it here. They move as one. I'm gonna detach it. I'll attach it here. They move as one. I'll attach it here. They move as one. Fun. Very fun to play with. Attach and detach. A concept will be magnets. Magnets repel and attract each other. So it's kind of like this. I will make a form. I'll keep them far away. Then I will attract one point. I'll put this here. I can attract this one there. I can make a straight line. I'll attract him there. I can attract this one. There, the basic magnets. They attract each other. They can also repel. Open, close. Another concept will be tracing. So tracing is simply drawing a form that you are trying to show. And this is an example. I'll be using this point to draw this shape. It's like an inverse L. So let's start. 1 and 2. I can go back. There. I can also draw with another point, which is also my end point. I can go up. I'll draw with this. Then I can go down. Yep. I can go back again. Then the same cycle continues. I was able to draw this one. Trace, I mean. I can also trace with my elbow. After tracing, I can attach. Boom. I will be teaching you a combo regarding on the concepts, so it will help you have a little foundation or a little background on how to use them. So let's start with this. Of course, you pray. Go in this pose, then start sliding it up, then put it down. Now these 2 points are attached to each other and they're going to move as one. So we're gonna put it down. As you can see, these are lines. So center, down, 1. Yep. So 1, 2, and 3. The next up, 4. You're simply gonna change the fold of it on this side. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go up. 5, 6. There we go. 7, 8. So it goes forward. Yeah, this thing goes forward. It goes down, right? This one will go up from behind. This will go down in front. So the same process goes on. 1, 2, 3, fold the other side. 4, fold it up. 5, put it up. Then 7 and 8. Next up, it will go here. 8. Then put it up. 7. So you can see this thing is connected here. 8, then 7, 6, and 5. Here comes the magnet part. Magnet, 5, 4, another magnet here, 2, bring it there, 2 and 1. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next 8, 7, 6 and 5 and 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now next up, we're gonna be tracing this 4. We'll be tracing it with our wrist. So okay, 5, 6, 7, and we'll go down. This goes forward, so you can trace it. Forward 1, 2, and 3. Now you're tracing with your end point. I'll trace first with my wrist, then I'll trace it now with my end point. Now the count is 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. Now one more time. From here, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now since it's attached here, 8. That's a big one. So this one is gonna be linear with your shoulder. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, trace. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6. This goes down. 6 and 5, 4 and 3, 2 and close. There we go. Now you're wondering why this 32 counts. So we can imply the whole thing. It's way fun if you do it with music. But there are a lot of foundations that you can do in this combo, so why not? With counting, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Trace 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, and 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now let's go straight up. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Trace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You got that? That's great. Let's go! Thank you so much for your time for learning this combo and the concepts that you can work on while you are tutting. I hope you had fun and you guys are doing great as always. So don't stop. Keep practicing, understand the concept, and make it yours. I hope you had fun, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down what you think below. Thank you so much. Always take care, and I'll see you next time.